I consider myself a sneakerhead that has a sneaker addiction. That's kind of deep. My name is Cheryl Bowers, and I am from East New York, Brooklyn. I look at everybody's sneakers like they're mine. So I treat my sneakers with respect, and I clean them and I take care of them. So that's what I want for the customers. I've been getting a lot of customers that's like more so like those business workers in the city. They're coming with their suits. They come in with like expensive sneakers. Like, hey, I need these for work. I'm just looking at them like, oh, you wear these? I think people spend so much money on them. So now they like, if I'm spending so much money, I have to take care of them. That's why I come in. I just hated seeing those women in that position. I started putting myself in their shoes like, dag, what if that's me one day, like without anything? Because I'm like, something can happen to me today and I could lose my job. And that was my biggest fear, is to not have anything. So that's when I was like, I have to figure out a business.
Sneaker cleaning is catching up really fast. Laundry is our biggest amount of business right now. And the rate we're going, we really feel like soon the sneakers will be on par with what we do with laundry.
When they bring in a pair of sneakers, I assess the sneaker first to see how dirty it is or what it needs. So it'll basically just do the upper, midsole, and the laces. The Ultra, we do the upper, midsole, inside, and the Premium is the entire sneaker. Now with this sneaker, the customer requested a de-yellowing. So I take my sneaker sauce, because that's what I call it. And this is gonna be an all-day process. It has to stay, I call it the light box. It has to stay in a light box for like 6 to 8 hours. I'm putting it in the microwave, basically. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I don't ever tell a customer, like, I can't do that. I'll just tell them, I'll try. I'll try my best to do it. So I'm not a magician. Like, a guy came in, he had blood all over them. I didn't even want to ask him. I was just like, dag, I don't want to be involved in no investigation. So I'm just like, yeah, I got you. Put my gloves on, took care of them. Having your own business, I realized it's not about me. I actually had a dude, he came in, he said, I think I stepped in dirt. It wasn't dirt, yeah. It was horse situations. It was horse situations, and it was all over the, I'm like, how could he think that was mud? You smell it. My mother said, you're gonna get these sneakers for school, the whole school year, so you better take care of them. So I'm like, dag. So that's when I had to start cleaning my sneakers, because I didn't want to get made fun of. So I would clean my sneakers and I would switch the laces out to make it look like I had like a different pair. Me having my own sneaker business is actually a wonderful thing, because I love sneakers. So when I come in, it doesn't feel like I'm working. I would eventually like to have a bigger location, and to be out of the state, like have multiple locations. I'll be the Chick-fil-A of sneaker cleaning. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's exactly, I'm gonna write that down after I'm done. Yeah, Chick-fil-A of sneaker cleaning. It's perfect. Yeah.